Hello everyone, welcome back to Talking Anonymous. On today's video, we will be completing a project I started involving a standard Ruger 1022. I have quite a lot of goodies, but the main focus is on the awesome ATI stock kit I have here. Let's go ahead and begin with a description of what we have on the table. First off, a Ruger 1022 assembly without its original stock. If you would like a quick idea on how to remove the original stock, please feel free to check out my field strip video regarding this rifle. We've got a Pursuit optics, an aluminum riser I bought on eBay, one of two Ruger BX25 mags that came in a neat value pack, and of course this sick ATI stock kit. Yep, we are putting all this together so we can have fun plinking in style. The 50 round drum here will have a video of its own soon. There was quite some hiccups on this mag before we even got it working. But for now, let's just focus on this fun build. Now one cool bonus about this stock was that it came with a flashlight and forward grip. The seller listed it for $90 plus free shipping. Super lucky eBay even honored the sale because it was actually getting reported and it got taken down. Apparently the words fully loaded are big no-nos when it comes to firearm attachments sold on their site. Enough about the sale. Let's demonstrate the folding feature. Very convenient and functions great. Also comes with a nice collapsible stock. The stock part even has a quick release sling slot. Let's go ahead and fold this back and present the process piecing this all together. First, we're going to install the rifle assembly into its tight fit slot on the stock kit. You will have to position the safety in the middle in order for the gun to slide in. It would be a lot easier if my gun vise came in on time, but I will have to do this with the makeshift stand that I made out of this packing foam. Just going to position these here and there. Something to hold everything in place. Let's put the rifle now carefully without damaging the safety pin. Again, it's a tight fit, so some people may have to sand away some of the sides for the receiver to slide in. Glad this one though just snapped in place. You can get an idea now of how awesome this project is going to turn out. Next is the top plate here, which requires two screws that should have came with your ATI stock kit. Oh, and no worries if you have an iron or flip up sights. This little opening here accommodates it. Simply snap it on. Let me go ahead and twist in these screws and torque them down a bit. Alright, done here. I'm gonna place the riser. Oh, and don't forget the original takedown screw that came with your 1022. This will actually secure the entire rifle to the stock kit. Don't forget this. Nice. Time for the optics. I have here the Pursuit red dot sights. Let me go ahead and tighten the base onto the riser. And last but not least, let's see how it looks with the empty mag. Amazing. Now if you were wondering if the standard 10 round mags work with this kit, I can assure you they do. Alright, thanks for watching y'all. Hope this segment helps in any way. If you have any questions regarding the items here, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Until then, have a great summer, and as always, safe shooting.